Hi. Unlikable people are all around us, day in, day out. They plague society with their pesky displays of unlikability. And if you don't see these people in your daily life, that maybe means you might very well be the person in question. Being a likable or popular person has less to do with your physical appearance and more with your personality. If you feel you are not likable, it's due to your behavior towards people. Here are 7 habits that make you instantly unlikable. Number 1. Being perpetually tardy. Are you someone who has a bad habit of always arriving late to events, dates, and social gatherings, or never responding to emails and texts in a timely fashion? Well, change that, because, for a lot of people, this is the absolute most unlikable habit a human being can have. Take emails, for example. Prompt responses show you value someone's time and respect them. Sluggish responses that require the other party to nudge you multiple times? Those show you have no respect for the person, do not value their time, and are a massive jerk. Number 2. Checking your phone constantly. One of the worst habits of unlikable people is checking their phone when they are spending time with someone. It is one of the most dislikable things. It is okay to look into your smartphone when you are alone. But when you are having dinner with someone or attending a meeting, checking your phone constantly is rude. It implies that you are not paying attention to the people around you. Due to this habit, people will start avoiding you. Number 3. You are a control freak. You must remember that no one likes a control freak. Controlling others is condescending and abusive. Some people like to micromanage the lives of their spouse, parents, colleagues, and friends. Such behavior makes the other person feel unworthy. You will end up spoiling your important relationships if you don't get rid of this habit. Number 4. Moody and temperamental. Unlikable people are often moody and temperamental. Their frequent mood swings make them unapproachable. They can be happy one minute and miserable the next. No matter what you are going through in life, your behavior should be good towards everyone. You cannot show your frustrations suddenly on a friend or a colleague. Instead of behaving badly, share your problems with a friend. You will get your friend's support that will make you feel better. Number 5. Dishonesty and emotional manipulation. Dishonesty is one of the common habits of unlikable people. Everyone tells lies at some time, but when it becomes a habit, people start avoiding you. You can lose good friends due to this habit. Dishonest people are often manipulative. Instead of admitting their mistakes, they would tell a lie to get out of an uncomfortable situation. They can construct 1,000 lies to hide one truth. As dishonest people are not at all trustworthy, people push them away. Number 6. Sharing every detail of your life on social media. According to studies, people who crave attention share every detail of their life on social media. No one is telling you to be a reserved person who does not share anything on social media. But if you share what you are having for breakfast and dinner every single day, people will get tired of your posts. You need to share things that are relevant and important on social media. Oversharing will make you an unlikable person. Number 7. You can't identify social cues. When you are unable to identify social cues, it results in confusion. Unlikable people are often confused at social gatherings. Understanding both verbal and nonverbal cues is important in a social situation. If you are able to respond well to not only verbal but also nonverbal communication, you become a likable person. Another factor that is essential for likability is to be a good listener. If you cannot listen patiently to what the other person is saying, it makes you unlikable. So what do you think? Tell me in the comments, and do not forget to subscribe, like and share the video with your loved ones. I suggest you watch this video, you will like it.